Hello, welcome to the English class. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about past continuous tense. In our previous class, we discussed simple past tense. We have learned how to form sentences in the simple past tense. In this class, let's try to form sentences in the past continuous tense. Just like the present continuous tense, in the past continuous tense, when we make sentences, we use the ing form of the verb. In the present continuous tense, as you all know, we use the auxiliaries am, is, and are. We use am with I, is with he, she, and it, and are with you, we, and they. Here, in the past continuous tense, we use the auxiliaries was and were. Let's find out how they are used in sentences. Let's try to form sentences in the past continuous tense using the auxiliaries was and were. When the subject is I, when the pronoun is I, we use the auxiliary was. I was and ing form of the verb playing. I was playing cricket. I was playing cricket. This is in the past continuous tense. If we write this in the present continuous tense, it becomes I am playing cricket. We use the past continuous tense to talk about actions that were happening in the past. I was playing cricket. Look at this example. You were waiting. Here too, we have used the ing form of the verb waiting. When the pronoun is you or when the subject is you, we use the auxiliary were. They were studying. When the pronoun is they or when the subject is they, we use the auxiliary were and ing form of the verb. They were studying. If we write this in the present continuous tense, we use are instead of in place of were. It becomes in the present continuous tense, we say they are studying. In the past continuous tense, we use were in place of or instead of are. Moving on to the next example, he was trying. When the pronoun is he, when the subject is he, we use the auxiliary was. In the present continuous tense, we use the auxiliary is in place of was. He was trying. She was calling. When the pronoun is she, when the subject is she, we use the auxiliary was. We can't say she were calling or she were waiting. It's grammatically incorrect. We must use the auxiliary was with she, he, it, and I when we form sentences in the past continuous tense. Last example here, it was barking. When the subject is it, when the pronoun is it, we use the auxiliary was and ing form of the verb. All these sentences are positive sentences. We have used, as you can see here, we have used ing form of the verbs playing, waiting, studying, trying, calling, and barking. Now let's try to form negative sentences in the past continuous tense using these examples. These are positive sentences. I was playing cricket. When we write this in the negative, it becomes I was not playing cricket. You were waiting. You were not waiting. They were studying. They were not studying. He was trying. He was not trying. She was calling. She wasn't calling or she was not calling. It was barking. It was not barking. This way, we form negative sentences in the past continuous tense. If you know how to form positive sentences in the past continuous tense, it will be very easy for you to write them in the negative. Moving ahead with the topic, let's learn how to form interrogative sentences in the past continuous tense. When we form questions in the past continuous tense, we use the auxiliaries was and were. I was playing cricket. When we make it an interrogative sentence, it becomes was I playing cricket? We have to change the order of the sentence. Was I playing cricket? You were waiting. Were you waiting? In the present continuous tense we say are you waiting. In the past continuous tense we say were you waiting. They were studying. Were they studying? He was trying. Was he trying? She was calling. Was she calling? In the present continuous tense, she is calling. Is she calling? In the past continuous tense, she was calling. Was she calling? It was barking. Was it barking? This is how we form questions in the past continuous tense using the auxiliaries was and were. That's all about the past continuous tense. We have learned how to form sentences in the past continuous tense using the auxiliaries was and were. Here are some questions for you. They will help you review your progress. Let's find out your understanding of the topic with some questions. Question number 1. They dash playing well. You have to write the correct auxiliary. She dash working hard. Question number 3. We dash discussing the matter. 4. He dash feeding the birds. Question number 5. You dash waiting for her. Question number 6. Dash it disturbing you. This is a question. This is an interrogative sentence. So you need to add the right auxiliary here. Question number 7. Dash you watching the movie. Here too you have to write the correct auxiliary. Last question here. Question number 8. Dash she helping them. Write the correct auxiliary. You are required to write one of the auxiliaries that we use when we form sentences in the past continuous tense. With this, I am going to wind up today's class. I hope you find this useful. Try forming more sentences in the past continuous tense using the auxiliaries was and were, and it will help you understand the topic better. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.